everyone, welcome back to Home Reimagine. I'm Jacqueline, and today we're going over one of my favorite topics, kitchen organization. It doesn't matter if you have a tiny apartment kitchen or a spacious culinary haven. The topic is the same and the categories will all work here. It's really important to be able to organize your kitchen for maximum efficiency and time-saving tasks. So let's dive right in. First things first, clear off your countertops and take everything out of your cabinet. It's really essential to be able to see everything you have and be able to assess all of your cabinet space. Next, go ahead and draw a map of your entire kitchen onto a piece of paper. This will make it much easier for you to map out exactly where everything's going to go based on category and the way you actually use your kitchen before you have to start moving everything yourself. We're going to divide your kitchen into 5 key zones: preparation, cooking, cleaning, dining, and food. These are the 5 key categories for your kitchen that will allow you to keep everything exactly where it should be. Let's get to organizing. Let's start with the preparation zone. This is where the magic happens and where all your meals begin. Here you'll find things like mixing bowls, measuring cups, cutting boards, cutting knives, kitchen gadgets, and other small appliances. These are all used to begin your meal and any preparation that goes into starting it. Within this zone, you may also make smaller sections of zones, such as a baking station, a meat prepping station, or even a school meal prep section. Think about how you use your kitchen when prepping for a meal, and then plan your tools accordingly. I like to use tools such as whisks and measuring cups when preparing my meals, so I keep them in this section. This keeps your kitchen from getting over-cluttered and contains it to one area. Plus, if there are 2 people in your home and the other one is the cook and you're the prepper, this makes it easier so everyone has enough space to work and is not overcrowding each other. Next, we have the cooking zone. This is typically located near the stove and oven so that it's easy and accessible while cooking. Here you'll find things like oil, spices, spatulas, pots and pans, and other appliances that you use for cooking. By having everything close by to where you cook, you can easily grab it without having to run around the kitchen. Consider using drawer organizers for your utensils and alphabetically ordering your spices. This not only saves you time when looking for something, but it keeps everything organized and aesthetically pleasing. Now let's move on to the cleaning zone. Here you're going to keep all the cleaners that you use in your kitchen. This includes things such as spray cleaners, microfiber towels, sponges, dish soap, trash bags, and any other cleaning supplies that you need. This area is typically centered right around your sink and/or dishwasher. Keep your cleaning supplies in caddies or bins under the sink. This makes it easy to pull out what you need and keeps everything tidy. Having your recycling bin and trash can nearby also makes cleanup a breeze. The dining zone is for food storage containers, silverware, dishes, and even glasses. This area can sometimes be a bit more spread out than the other zones. For example, in my kitchen, all the upper cabinets are what house this zone, instead of a singular area. However, by the rule of thumb, typically this area is either near the sink and dishwasher or near the stove and oven, and this all depends on your preference. If you'd like to keep it near the dishwasher and sink, it's typically easier for putting them away after they're cleaned directly. Or if you want to keep it near the stove and oven, it's easier for plating meals immediately. Use drawer dividers for your silverware and shelf risers for your Tupperware. This will maximize space and keep everything organized. Last but not least, the food zone. This is where you're going to keep your pantry items. If you have a pantry, that's great. But if not, go ahead and use a cabinet, typically close to the fridge, where you can store all of your food. Use clear containers with labels for anything that you can. This will allow you to see what you have and replace it whenever necessary. In your cabinet itself or your pantry, go ahead and group everything by category, such as baking supplies, canned goods, or snacks. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And there you have it. By dividing your kitchen into these 5 zones, preparation, cooking, cleaning, dining, and food, you will have a more efficient and effective workspace and a better looking kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagine for more organization, cleaning, and home tips. I hope to see you next time, and happy organizing!